Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can get Assassin's Creed Mirage completely for free. So make sure to watch the video till the very end. And let's begin. First things first, open up the Ubisoft Connect app. In case if you don't have the app installed, you can go with any of your browsers as well. Next, sign in to your account and you'll be redirected to this page. At the beginning of the page, you can see Assassin's Creed Mirage is currently offering a free trial for their users. Just go ahead and open it up. At the right side of the screen, you can see this is the actual price for the game, but we can download it for free as well. Remember, the trial period is from 16th of April to 30th of April. Once you get ends, you won't be able to play it. So that's basically how you can get Assassin's Creed Mirage completely for free. So that's all for this video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.